Hi, folks. This is Voss here from the Chris Voss Show.com. Hey, coming here with another product from Vanco1.com. This is the Vanco Expandable IR Kit with signal adjustments to it. This is pretty cool. It enables you to use IR signals to be distributed from a display to multiple sources. You can connect two of these IR EXP kit blocks over a Cat 5e or 6 to expand the system. Features 6 IR outputs with adjustable signal gain. The kit includes 1 IR connection block, 1 IR receiver, and 4 IR emitters. Focal frequency of 20 to 60 kilohertz and low profile IR receiver. It includes an IR feedback LED on connection block and receiver, and it's got a compact size for convenient and discreet mounting, so you don't have this big gaudy thing kicking around. You can even buy additional emitters that are sold separately from Vanco. Comes with the 1 IR distribution block, 1 IR receiver, 4 IR emitters, and the power supply and product manual. Check it out. You go to Vanco1.com and the expandable IR kit with signal adjustments. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.